In a quaint little town, nestled among rolling hills and shimmering streams, stood an old, mysterious library named the Enchanted Library. The library, though small from the outside, was filled with countless books, each holding a secret waiting to be discovered. One sunny afternoon, a curious young girl named Emma wandered into the Enchanted Library. She was immediately captivated by the sight of towering bookshelves, the musty aroma of old books, and the soft whispering sound they made as she walked by. Emma approached the librarian, a kind-eyed old woman named Miss May, who seemed to know everything about every book in the library. "Miss May," Emma asked, "are there any books here about something I don't even know exists?" Miss May chuckled and replied, "Of course, Emma. That's the magic of the Enchanted Library. It has books about things you've never heard of, and about things you've never imagined." With a sparkle in her eyes, Emma asked, "Where do I start?" Miss May pointed to a book titled The Book of the Unknown. Emma opened the book and began to read. As she delved deeper into the book, Emma found herself transported to a world of wonder, learning about new planets, exotic animals, and fascinating cultures she had never known existed. She learned about the mysteries of the universe, the secrets of the human mind, and the wonders of the natural world. But the more she read, the more questions she had. "Miss May," she asked, "is there a book that can help me understand everything I've learned?" Miss May smiled and handed Emma a book called The Book of Understanding. Emma read the book with rapt attention, and soon she began to see connections between the things she had learned. She realized that everything in the universe was interconnected, and that every question led to many more answers. As Emma left the Enchanted Library, she felt a sense of awe and wonder. She had discovered a whole new world of knowledge, and she knew that she would spend her entire life learning and exploring. From that day on, Emma became a regular at the Enchanted Library. She would spend hours every day, lost in the pages of books, discovering new things and asking new questions. And with each question, she found more answers, and with each answer, she grew a little wiser. And so, Emma learned that the key to understanding the world was not to stop asking questions, but to keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering. And that was the greatest lesson she learned at the Enchanted Library.